what they mean by gratuitous violence, Juanita. I'm gonna call my kids and tell them to stop watching just as soon as I have kids. If Ratchet was a tough cookie, what kind of cookie would he be? I'm gonna go with Snickerdoodle. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise. It's time to kill or be killed in the Annihilator round. Ratchet must survive under relentless attack from wave after wave of lethal enemies. Ladies and gentlemen, the juice is cold, and the generic Grand X gelatin is definitely jiggling. Remember, don't try any of this at home. Go to a friend's house.
Kids across the galaxy know that wearing the right pajamas can give you superpowers.
I'm Gamatron. My eyes shoot laser beams. I'm Reactor. I can eat metal.
I'm Battlehawk. I can fly.
Oh, I love that part.
Sir, we have the latest sales figures.
And what's the bottom line?
Nobody is buying the new Ace Hardlight merchandise. In fact, sales are down across the board except for fuzzy Lombax ears.
We sell those?
Yes, sir. They're an accessory for the Tiny Tots assault weapons kit.
Well, you've obviously made some sort of idiotic mistake. Report to B-level for disintegration.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Sir?
On your way there, tell the lab to set up a focus test. Find out why this stuff isn't selling.
I'll get right on that, sir.
We're here on the beautiful Blargian homeworld of Arxon, overlooking a massive raritanium mining facility. Each week, challengers navigate their way through the facility with one goal in mind: destroy it!
You have a choice of 2 different paths. I'm afraid each one is equally dangerous.
Ooh, they chose the path on the right. They're gonna regret that. Land. Run, Ratchet, run! They've only got 1 force field left. In Stage 2, our contestant must boost his way up to the 2nd tier and capture 6 control nodes. What I want to know is how Ratchet uses the bathroom in that suit.